Hi, my name is Evgeny Laptev. I'm the systems architect at RCNTEC. Please allow me to introduce the RPCM, Resilient Power Control Module, the smartest PDU on the planet. Our customers receive RPCMs in these beautiful boxes. Let's take a look inside. The package includes the RPCM itself, 2 power cables for inlets, network patch cord, and fastening kit for mounting the device into a standard telecom rack. Moving on to the RPCM itself. It's a single rack unit module. On its back, there are 10 outlets for connecting consumers and 2 independent inlets with automatic transfer switch or ATS functionality. On RPCM's front panel, you can see the information display with color status indication for inlets and outlets. Now, the display shows instant voltage value. By switching the display mode, you can get additional information such as total load in amps or kilowatts, IP address, MAC address, serial number or serial name. Yes, you heard it right. All our devices have unique serial names. For instance, this module's name is Right Eye. So, let's go through RPCM's functions and properties. RPCM is universal. It works within the voltage range from 100 to 240 volts and both with 50 and 60 Hz frequencies. One of the main RPCM functions is that a power for each of the 10 individual outlets can be managed remotely. This means that you can easily turn on, turn off or reset any powered consumer without having to be physically near your equipment. Second important function of 16 amps and 32 amps RPCMs, the ones that have 2 inlets, is the automatic transfer switching. If power on main inlet gets lost, the RPCM automatically switches consumers to second inlet without interruption of power supply to consumers. In addition to switchover happening due to complete power loss, RPCM also switches over if power quality characteristics fall out of defined thresholds. Configurable voltage range for inlets is from 90 to 250 volts, frequency range is from 45 to 65 Hz. So if voltage or frequency on main inlet is out of range configured by the administrator, RPCM automatically switches consumers to second inlet without interruption of power supply to consumers. Another very important function of RPCM is the short circuit protection implemented for each of 10 individual outlets. If a short circuit occurs, for example, in the power supply of one of the powered devices, RPCM automatically cuts off only the power going specifically to that device, thereby keeping the remaining consumers up and running, both the ones connected to the same RPCM and the others connected to the same bus bar. Next, RPCM provides power metering functionality. It allows to measure current, active and reactive energy consumption separately on each of 10 outlets, starting from a consumption limit as low as 10 mA. In addition to helping with better understanding of power consumption, metering functionality enables some additional important features. First of all, it's a fire protection. How it works? The administrator can set up 2 current consumption limits for each outlet. If the first limit is reached, RPCM notifies the administrator and the external monitoring system about it. If the current continues to rise and reaches the second specified limit, RPCM forcibly cuts off the power supply to that outlet. This way, we engage proactively to prevent fire before it may occur, so overall fire safety is improved. In addition, RPCM has the capability to determine the existence of properly connected grounding, which increases operational safety and helps to prevent or troubleshoot equipment malfunctions. We have implemented the Smart Start feature with customizable activation sequence and delays for each outlet. It allows customers to start up infrastructure services correctly and eliminate high inrush currents during recovery from complete site power loss. SNMP protocol versions 1, 2C, and 3 and REST API can be used for integration with external monitoring, billing, and other applications. You can also use SMTP for email notifications. One more interesting function is the possibility of sending messages to apps like Slack and Telegram. Should any event occur, RPCM will send the appropriate notification and you'll be able to see it on your smartphone or tablet. Of course, we did think about convenience in terms of administration. For this, we created a clear and simple web interface as well as easy-to-use command line available via SSH. In the event that both power inputs get turned off, there is a built-in battery within RPCM whose task is to provide energy for saving of information regarding the failure. It also allows for notifying external monitoring systems and administrators if the network is still capable of transmitting data. This RPCM model has a power consumption budget of 3840 volt-amps with 16 amps inlet current. 32 and 63 amps models are also available. We've examined the RPCM's main functionality. In future videos, I'll talk in more details and show you live how each of these functions work in RPCM. If you like the described RPCM functionality, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel in order to learn about new upcoming functionality of our devices. Thank you.